Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not only follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Cali Bank. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fired up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. We're back at Universal Studios Hollywood on this beautiful Monday. Just started sprinkling, surprisingly. How you doing, Junior?
Pretty good, pretty good. Good day.
A good day? I know. It's like not cold, not hot. It's right in the middle.
It's like mid-humid.
Yeah. Today we're going to do Fast and Furious, what that's looking like, and Studio Tour. Those are like the main things.
Yeah, the
and
backlot.
if they're doing Waterworld, we should watch one today.
Yeah, I haven't seen that in a while. So.
I know, me too.
Why not?
Yeah, why not today? I don't know if they're doing it or not, but we'll find out. We are back for Fast and Furious. Nothing really going on the hillside. We are getting sprinkles, so I could imagine it involves the rain. And I don't know if there's going to be more rain this week, but this is kind of at a stalemate. But lots of progress happening and current construction work being done on the upper lot side. They are starting to dig deeper on the right side, which I'm guessing is the front. Is this the front of the building? Whatever this show building is going to be. And they were laying concrete last time, so foundation being done. Junior spotted this right here, which is, it looks like a wall. Freaking wall's already going up on the top side. Or maybe they're getting started to do a wall. We'll see. We will see. I know this is a random question. Is there any chance that this project takes over these buildings? I know we've talked a lot about the project going to Simpsons, but what about the project going this way? Are these buildings safe right here? I'm just asking. I'm just curious. Over here at Honeydukes, there's been construction on the left side. Still closed. It is rumored ice cream, soft serve ice cream to come in this area. Let's see if they have the owl. They had it recently. Oh, I think it is here. Little owl, how you doing? How you doing? Do you flap your wings? Flip, flap. Flap, flap, flap. So cute. Glad that it's back. It looks like they have a lot in stock. $59. I don't recall how much it cost when it first debuted, but it's now $59. And this is awesome. I see lots of people wearing it already today. Right before you walk in a Forbidden Journey, they've been doing a project over here on the back side. And this is supposed to be lockers. So instead of having the lockers inside, right when you walk in the queue, they're going to be on the outside area now, which is extended queue. I feel like that's not a lot of lockers.
It looks small.
Yeah.
I thought it would be big.
Yeah, I know. I don't know, but that's what it is right there. And then they're still refurbing this Tri-Wizard tournament stage. Hopefully that comes back soon. I missed that show. This area is extended queue of Forbidden Journey. It doesn't get used, if ever. It'd be cool if they turned this into a forest that you walk through with your wand and have like activations all throughout the forest. So you're in just this Harry Potter universe forest with activations. What a great way to sell more wands.
Keep an eye on them so they don't get wet. Now finally, for your safety and those around you, please do not use selfie sticks while you are on board the train. 16 through 19 that we're passing now to your right. Home to some of our most classic TV history sitcoms like The Jeffersons, Martin, Missy. Off to the right are called New York Street. And no stranger to New York, of course, is our co-host, Jimmy.
Hey everyone, welcome to New York. I got my start right here in New York. I wonder what they're going to film there. This is actually my old...
Through the tour, I do want to remind you, if you need assistance, if you drop something or can't wait to use the restroom, pull the cord, but remember to stay seated at all
When are we gonna get
times,
Earthquake
especially as we head into
so dull.
monster territory, what we call... That's George, guys. If you can help... George, get out of the water. Middle of nowhere somewhere. Now, coming up at the Taco Wilderness, we're going to approach a set from a more recent filmmaker to call Universal home. One of the sets from the Oscar winner Jordan Peele's latest feature film, Nope. Now, to welcome us here to our Nope sets is writer-director himself, Jordan Peele, as we make our way into Jupiter's Claim.
Movie magic only happens.
I thought Kung Fu Panda was gonna be like in his new outfit for the movie. Maybe that was like a one-day thing. What's up, Poe? As much as we wanted to do Waterworld, it's just not gonna be possible. They do have shows till 5:15 today, so I just want to let people know that. Hopefully on my next trip we could catch a show of Waterworld. But to end today's video, we are going to go to the studio store and see if there's anything new and just what's available. This is new, sustainable material merch. They got a t-shirt, and then this one too. Is that one sustainable? I don't know if that one's sustainable, but that's new to me. And then they got it in a hoodie. Sustainable materials. Check this out. Metal Earth has the entrance and the globe. That'd be pretty cool to have like on your desk at work or at home. Also over here at the studio tour, it's like they have a whole section dedicated to Universal Monsters. Like they have the City Walk store, but they also got it here at the studio store. And then they have these penny machine. Some of your favorite Universal Monsters. This is what it would look like. I don't think there's anything new Super Nintendo World-wise, but I do want to say they still got a lot of the Bowser merch. I know this is the new one that arrived recently, and I think it's a shirt. Yeah, they still got the shirt here too. And last thing to mention, they still got the gold power band as of today being Monday. Thank you everybody for watching Bonfire's YouTube. Smash that like button on the way out. We are firing it down.